Hi guys, Tyler here, and I just want to mention that the prices on Amazon for this product do change often, so make sure you check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. Now let's jump into the review.
In today's video, we're taking a look at the Dr. Squatch Men's Natural Soap. In this video, I want to talk a little bit about this soap and help you know what you can expect when actually using it. Now, the first thing you'll notice about the Dr. Squatch Men's Natural Soap is that it comes individually packaged here, and every different package and each different scent of soap has a different grit rating on it. Right here, we're looking at the pine tar scent, and this has a heavy grit rating. Now, the grit that it's actually talking about are these little pieces of oatmeal and such that they add to the soap to actually make it a little bit more gritty and a little bit more exfoliating. Now, the scent of these soaps are very nice. They have a little bit of a either musk to them, a light mint to them, or a sweetness to them. This one right here is the pine tar scent, so it has a little bit of almost like a pine tree scent with kind of like outdoorsy musky smell. It's indeed a fantastic men's clean smelling scent. But the actual real reason I love using Dr. Squatch is because it is a natural soap. This means that they're made with natural oils, they don't have any kind of harsh chemicals in them, and they are made through a cold process and even sustainably sourced. I highly recommend using Dr. Squatch's Men's Natural Soap as it is a fantastic product and I love using it. Hopefully this video has helped you know if this soap is right for you.
Now make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.